Create music group for musicians' honest review. Watch before using. Create Music Group is a platform designed to connect musicians, producers, and other industry professionals, offering tools and resources to help you thrive in your music career. This review dives straight into its features, who it's best suited for, and whether it's worth your time. First, the platform focuses on collaboration. It's ideal for independent artists looking to network with like-minded creatives, from songwriters to producers. With its intuitive interface, you can easily find collaborators based on your genre, location, or expertise. The integrated messaging system ensures smooth communication, while features like file sharing and project management make remote collaboration seamless. Create Music Group also acts as a distribution platform, helping artists get their music onto major streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. Its analytics dashboard is a standout, providing insights into your streams, listener demographics, and revenue. This makes it easier to tailor your marketing strategies and understand your audience. For artists aiming to monetize, the platform offers royalty collection services. It ensures you're paid fairly for your work by handling publishing royalties and neighboring rights. Whether you're performing live or your music is being streamed, Create Music Group takes care of the paperwork so you can focus on creating. Another highlight is its educational content. Create Music Group provides tutorials and guides covering industry topics like branding, marketing, and licensing. This is particularly helpful for emerging artists navigating the complexities of the music business. However, the platform isn't without its drawbacks. While its tools are robust, they're best suited for artists who are already somewhat established or ready to invest in their careers. Beginners might find the royalty and distribution processes overwhelming without prior experience. Additionally, the pricing structure, while competitive, can be a barrier for those on a tight budget. In conclusion, Create Music Group is a valuable resource for musicians and industry professionals serious about advancing their careers. It excels in connecting creatives, managing royalties, and providing data-driven insights. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Artists just starting out may need to consider whether its offerings align with their current goals. For those ready to take the next step, this platform could be a game changer. If you're looking for a streamlined way to manage collaborations, distribute your music, and grow your brand, Create Music Group is worth exploring. Remember, no tool will replace hard work and creativity, but this platform can definitely enhance your journey.